Today, I'm going to show you how to add a gradient background in Elementor step by step, so you can make your sections look more modern, polished, and professional without needing any code. Gradient backgrounds are a great way to add depth, style, and visual interest to your website, whether you're designing a landing page, a home page, or a custom content section. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your page in Elementor and select the element you want to edit. This can be a container, a section, or a column. Just click directly on the area you want to customize. And once you do, you'll see the Settings panel appear on the left side of your screen. This is where all of your design options live. Next, go to the Style tab at the top of the panel. Elementor organizes the visual settings here, so if you're working on the look of your page, this is the place you want to be. Once you're in the Style tab, look for the Background menu and click it to expand the options. Now find the Background Type row. You'll usually see a couple of icons here, and what you want is the gradient icon, which is typically the second icon and looks like a shaded square or a color blend. Click that icon, and Elementor will reveal the gradient customization fields for you. Now it's time to set up your colors and style. Start with the first color, which is usually your top or inner color, depending on the effect you want. Then choose your second color, which will become the bottom or outer color in the gradient. As soon as you select the colors, you'll start seeing the background change in real time. After that, adjust the location sliders for both colors. This controls how much space each color takes up and how smoothly they blend together. If you want a softer fade, spread the colors out more evenly. If you want a stronger split or a more dramatic effect, move the sliders closer together. This is one of the easiest ways to fine-tune the look of your gradient. Next, choose the type of gradient. If you want a straight transition from one color to another, select Linear. If you want the colors to radiate outward in a circular style, choose Radial. Linear is great for modern hero sections and clean backgrounds, while Radial can be a nice choice when you want a softer spotlight effect. If you choose Linear, you'll also see an angle control. This lets you change the direction of the gradient. For example, if you set it to 180 degrees, the gradient will flow from top to bottom. You can rotate the angle until the direction looks perfect for your layout. Small changes here can make a big difference in the final design. If you choose Radial instead, you'll see a position setting. This controls where the gradient starts, such as center-center or top-left. Pick the position that best matches the design you're going for. Center-center gives a balanced look, while top-left or other positions can create a more dynamic feel. Once everything looks the way you want it, take a quick moment to review the section and make sure the gradient complements your text, buttons, and overall layout. A good gradient should enhance the design, not distract from it. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added a gradient background in Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Elementor walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.